We are proud to be a trusted partner in cable assembly and wiring harness manufacturing backed by over 20 years of proven experience. With certifications including ISO 9001 and IATF 16949, we deliver dependable solutions for electronics, medical, automotive, and aerospace industries. Our products range from LVDS and micro-coaxial cables to waterproof and molded designs, all built with top-tier connectors from Molex, JST, and Tyco. From fine-pitch options to ultra-thin micro wires, we have the flexibility to match your exact specifications. Let's work together to create high-quality solutions that keep you ahead of the competition. Contact us today. We are proud to be a trusted partner in cable assembly and wiring harness manufacturing backed by over 20 years of proven experience. With certifications